Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to block any domain or website using Windows Firewall. First, let's choose which site we want to block. Let's say www.instagram.com. Next, open the command prompt. Type in the lookup command. Enter www.instagram.com. Hit enter. Now go to the control panel. Switch to large icons view. Open Windows Firewall. Go to advanced settings. Here, add outbound rules. Right-click and select New Rule. Click Custom. Click Next. Select all programs here. Choose any here. Make sure this is correct. Now select these IP addresses from the command prompt results. Here's the IPv6 address. Click OK. Click Add. Now the IPv4 address, click OK. Click Next, block the connection next. Check all three boxes next and name it Instagram or your chosen site. There you go, Instagram won't load anymore. Like and subscribe to the channel. That's all for now. Take care.